Guys, ngimenyiwe ku-31st kaNozi. Uma ngimenyiwe ku-31st kaNozi ngihambe ngiyigqokela iphinifa nkosi yami since imvunulo ngangizoyithola khona. Ayi uma ngifika esihlahleni swasesand ze anele cane osilandela imvunulo ngaphakathi ayisihambe guys. Sanje uma ngingena egate California yami ngiyithatha uma ngithi ngiyabuka inamba ngiyazi. Isho ngixoxa ukuthi ubalo ongifonelayo nje cause angijwayele ukufonela inamba engayazi, but then ngi-answer ngithi hello, athi ubhuti hello sisi unjani, ngithi ngiyaphila bhuti onjani, athi ngiyaphila nami. Athi sisi I'm calling from Vodacom to congratulate you that you have won a free trip to Mauritius, and this trip is for 7 consecutive days. Everything is paid for, accommodation, food and everything, you are covered. Ngithi na oh yeah, Vodacom. Okay, ngithi naye eqhubeka bhuti athi so sisi ngizodinga ukuthi ungiconfirmele 3 things with me. Ngithi mina okay. Athi sisi ugcineni nokurecharge. Ngithi mina ish recharger. Athi yes. Engithuli. Athi hello, are you still there? Ngithi yebo bhuti ngisakhona. Athi sisi ugcineni ngorecharge. Ngithi mina last week. Athi urecharge ngamalini? Ngithi ngirecharge ngo250. Athi okay sis, last question, how long have you been using this number? Ngithi mina for more than 60 years but yeah, more than 60 years. Athi sisi ngeke, that's quite impossible. Ngithi it's possible but athi sisi i-system yethu ayipick up lokho. Ngithi naso oh ngoba uyayazi nje i-system yakho, why i-system yakho ingakutshela ukuthi le number leso yisebenzisa isikhathi esingakanani? It's okay sis, but then you sound so young. Ngithi na I sound so young. Ngithi yes but la but yazi Vodacom mina unento zami zonke. I'm definitely sure you know how old I am since you're from Vodacom, because mina ngathi ngiyothenga le number le ka Vodacom ngabanika ipass lami. So uyazi ukuthi nginangaki. It's okay sis, okay, regarding your age ngiyakubona lokho. So how is it possible ukuthi le number you've used it for more than 60 years? Ngithi na ishbhuti la le number le kwangiyamkhulu yazi. Umkhulu nkosi yami waphatha ukugula bhuti, waphatha ukugula washona wayishila ubaba. Nobaba le number wayiphatha bhuti, wayiphatha nje isikhathi sathi ukuba side ngempela yamkhathaza ubaba le number wayishiyela mina. Kahle kahle kusho ukuthi ngasho ukuthi le number iyifa. Bathi ngolimi lwesingisi bhuti bathi inheritance. Ngasho ukuthi le number inheritance ngoba ihamba ama generations to generations. Nami sisezizukulwaneni esiyimi, nami mhla ngikhathi le bhuti ngiyoyidlulisa le number. Athi okay but mind you guys, mind you le number efonela ubhuti le u066, and u066 is a new number. U066 is a new number futhi guys. Yabo ngabe ngiyeza kube inamba yami u076 yabo. Hayi cha ngabe ngiyeza cause lezo inamba endala lezi sakhuluma mama beyisebenzisa, but 066 is a new number, inamba engakawuqedi ngisho 10 years uma ngicabanga. Athi Miss Khumalo okay ngiyakuzwa. Ngithi mina Miss Khumalo, hey but are you sure? Athi yes Miss Khumalo. Ngithi hayi but not awukho sure. Hayi awukho sure. Are you sure ukuthi Miss Khumalo lokhuluma naye? Are you sure? Ngithi and by the way but doesn't know one thing ngiyawutshela Vodacom ukuthi they will never call me ngaphandle uma ngibafonele mina bathi bazobuyela kimi. Wena uVodacom onjani wena? uVodacom onjani lo 064 lo kufonelayo? uVodacom muphi? Gaga zi hlaba ngocingo ubhuti wangigakaza ngocingo ngasangithi awwa Vodacom.